Stop! Before you spend $2,000 on a drone that you're going to crash into a tree in the first 5 minutes, listen to me. Because in 2026, the drone game just changed forever. New laws, new sensors, and a brand new competitor that is absolutely terrifying DJI right now. But here's the problem. Most drones you see online? They look amazing in the commercial, but in real life? They fly like a refrigerator with wings. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 drones that actually survive real-world testing. We're talking obstacle avoidance that works, cameras that don't lie, and the one drone that literally saved itself from crashing. Number 2 will shock you. Let's fly. Starting at number 1. DJI Mini 4K Camera Drone Combo. Best overall. With a 4K Ultra HD camera and a 3-axis gimbal, the DJI Mini 4 shoots high-resolution video that won't shake or rattle as you fly. It pairs that gimbal with improved wind resistance, so even if you're shooting video on a blustery day, your footage will be clear and steady. Alongside its robust stability features, the drone has a powerful motor to propel the drone to over 35 miles per hour at top speed. This makes it perfect for recording extreme sports or high-speed video. It also allows for takeoff at an altitude of more than 4,000 meters. The Mini 4 holds 2 batteries, extending its range beyond many similar models. It can fly continuously for over an hour before coming down for a charge. The only potential drawback is that the remote is the sole means of controlling the drone versus additionally being able to use your smartphone. If this isn't a deal breaker, this is still the drone to buy based on camera quality and other features for the price. Number 2. Potensic Atom SE Drone. Best value. The Potensic Atom SE has many of the same features as the DJI Mini 4, but with lower price attached. It's true that the competition has a superior camera and obstacle avoidance, but otherwise, the Potensic matches the DJI pretty much across the board, including its battery power. While it may not match up against DJI perfectly, the tiny drone still boasts a 4K HD camera with stabilization tech to help take clear 12MP photos and 4K footage at 30 frames per second. It also has a control system with 3 modes, including video, normal, and sport, and plenty of tracking modes. For any amateur flyers, this allows you to tailor your experience to the type of activity you want to try out. A GPS-assisted return home button sets the drone to fly back to you in case of emergencies. It can withstand level 5 wind. The Atom SE is a frequently recommended value-forward product from Reddit drone enthusiasts. Several user reviews say that the Atom SE is great for beginners and experienced users alike and comment on its easy software, surprisingly well-made construction, and terrific controller. However, some say its lack of obstacle avoidance can make flight feel risky for new users who lack sufficient flying skills. Number 3. DJI Mavic 4 Pro Creator Combo. Best for videographers. If you're seeking out top-quality cameras and a powerful motor, there is no better option available right now than DJI's newest flagship drone, the Mavic 4 Pro. This long-awaited update boasts over 50 minutes of continuous flight time without needing to land for a battery swap or to recharge. According to DJI, it can fly more than 25 miles in that time. Beyond its improved mechanics, what sets the Mavic 4 Pro apart from other options is its camera stack. It features 3 cameras, provide different apertures for HD, portrait style, and far-range photos, respectively. As for video, DJI claims that the cameras can shoot 6K footage in 60 frames per second, beating out every other option on this list by a fair margin. The Mavic 4 Pro also comes with a number of built-in features including a 360-degree rotating gimbal and upward angle of up to 70 degrees. The drone is also equipped with obstacle sensing technology to prevent crashes or mishaps while filming. While the total creator combo is expensive, you get a complete starting kit, with a carrying case, 3 batteries, a charging station, and DJI's flagship remote control, the RC Pro 2. This remote control works in tandem with your smartphone so you have a physical controller and can use the phone exclusively for the live camera footage. The Mavic 4 Pro is clearly a tool for professionals and extremely committed hobbyists, rather than a fun plaything. If you're recording video and want the most detailed footage possible, this is definitely your best option. Number 4. HoverAir X1 Drone with Camera. Most portable. Although some question whether it's an actual drone, Redditors who have experience with DJI and Potensic say it's undeniably convenient and fun, and we agree. The HoverAir X1 fits in the pocket of a pair of jeans, is simple to use, and has a camera quality that's on par with an iPhone. Download the user-friendly app and it's up and flying in minutes. It has 7 autonomous flight modes that follow you, and 1 manual mode that you control from your phone. It has obstacle avoidance, but it's limited to only objects in front or below it. During testing, I found the autonomous flight mode impressive and surprisingly reliable. The camera locks onto the user and then follows the flight mode you choose. It automatically stops if it loses sight of you and emergency lands if it comes in contact with anything. In fact, even when I was running and actively trying to evade it, the drone kept up pretty comfortably. Number 5. Potensic Atom 2 Drone. Best camera for the price. This compact and affordable from Potensic was impressive for a number of reasons, but stood out the most for its controller and camera. Firstly, its controller works in tandem with your smartphone. Using the provided cable, I connected my smartphone directly to the controller and it immediately worked as a video panel. I was able to see what the Atom 2 saw through my phone screen while using the joysticks for accurate and responsive movement. The lack of lag between the phone and the drone allowed me to comfortably control it even when it was fully out of my eye line. The video camera is also incredibly high quality, especially at the price point. The 4K video resolution led to some incredibly clear footage and looked great even when subjects were in motion. The drone is also quite compact. The forelegs all fold in and the propeller blades folds back, so the entire device fits easily in your hand and packs efficiently in the carrying case alongside the controller and backup batteries. This made it easy for me to bring with me on the train without a massive bulky box or shoulder bag. Honestly, if you're a beginner, do not buy number 1. It's too much drone for you. Start with number 3 or 4, they have the best crash protection in 2026 and you won't cry if you lose it in a tree. But if you're a pro filmmaker, number 1 is the closest thing to a Hollywood camera that can actually fly. I've linked all 5 drones down in the description, plus extra batteries and propellers because trust me, you'll need them. Prices drop every month in 2026, so check the deals before you buy. If this video saved you from a drone disaster, smash that like button. And subscribe for more 2026 tech truth. I'll see you in the next one.